Thank you again for taking your time to watch our videos here at National Gear. As you've seen in this video, this box has been totally rebuilt. This is one of our Falk Gearboxes for one of our top clients in California at a cement mill. This box came in horrible condition. National Gear did a full disassemble, repaired the shaft seal areas, repaired bearing wearing areas, installed all brand new bearings and seals, Timken bearings and seals. We hand dressed all the gears and re-lapped the gears. Now this box is on our horizontal borer mill running at 1450 RPM. We will continue to run this box. Make sure there's no vibration. Make sure there's no overheating. Obviously no leaking. Any abnormalities. This ensures us that the boxes was built properly. This is why National Gear Repair will give you a 24-month warranty from the date of install, because we know the amount of work and the quality of work that we put into these boxes. So please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please remember, National Gear Repair offers free pickup, free delivery, and free freight nationwide. Thank you.